Look how clear that water is. It's pretty amazing. And then there's Natasha. Going to
Las Vegas.
We're driving to Las Vegas. There's a good idea. Who's coming? Who's all coming?
Basically almost the whole Churn family except for Milo's.
Here we are in Grand Junction, Colorado. Had some breakfast. Took the dog for a walk. Mommy's finishing up breakfast. Girls doing what they do. We're out of here. Bad idea. Quick stop at the Kia dealership in Grand Junction. Danelle, thoughts?
It was the gas cap.
It was not the gas cap. Oh, look, they're watching. Bye-bye, Colorado. Hello, Utah. It's so cool. This is amazing. Las Vegas is in Nevada.
We're at Hershey's Chocolate World.
Here we are on the Las Vegas Strip, teasing the kids with a roller coaster.
Because we can't come back.
The castle and all that good stuff. We're going on the river. Oh, is it almost bedtime, girls? Yes. It was a long drive. Well, we're leaving Las Vegas. Shutting down. Very nice stay at the Residence Inn. Alright, here we go. Start walking. Alright, we're leaving Las Vegas. Mommy, where are we going?
Willow Beach Marina.
Check out Mommy's outfit.
Okay, and we finally have made it to our destination.
Alright, so this is our crew. Whoa, dance! Alright. We're finally casting off. Alright, do it.
Help me!
I'll help you. Of course I'll help you. Good job. And there's Natasha. Hey there. Yo. I'm coming down. Two little mermaids.
Purchasing my brakes so I can get my love fist ready.
Hello, Jazzy Jazz. Hello, are you ready to go for a boat ride? Look at this parking job.
Hi. We're on our visit. First one's leaving the campsite. What? So yesterday we went on a hike, and our leader named Catherine, or Miss Cat, for short, duckies. And they went on the hike.
Yep.
And then their boat. The boat was not tied up, so it went into this river. They slept on sand. And they were really dirty. Okay, we have hit mile marker 55 from that hike. Yep. You probably can see it right now. So let me turn on the X-ray vision. 55.
Girls, tell me what it says. I have 7% battery. Quick.
What's that?
What do we have written here?
Scribbles, sir. Then we go.
Look at this water. Look how clear it is. Alright, the money shot is where it gets emeraldy over here.
Okay.
Come on, come on. Don't you want footage of us getting close to our destination?
No, I wanted help.
Jasmine, help. There's Mommy. Not angry at all about anything. Our beacon of hope. Girls, we did it. Oh yeah, they're oxidizing. They're turning more and more green.
What color is copper normally?
Copper's normally like a yellowish.
Yeah, like
Orangish?
a yellowish orange.
Yeah. Bye. See you next time.
Now,